Agriculture transformation in focus, bringing you up to speed with developments in agriculture, livestock and fisheries sectors aimed at increasing production and productivity to enhance food, nutrition and income security. Agriculture transformation in focus.
Agriculture is a source of livelihood for most people in the country. Improving profitability of the sector means enhancing income security for people who are economically dependent on it. Government is implementing a number of interventions to economically empower people through agriculture. Such measures include timely delivery of inputs, promotion of climate-smart practices, mechanization to increase yields, and lucrative prices for agro-commodities like the ones announced by government for the 2021 crop marketing season. Integrated farming is another intervention aimed at increasing farmer returns in agriculture. Farmers, particularly small scale, are encouraged to rear livestock in order to make more money. Livestock rearing is also an adaptation strategy to climate change. In a case a farmer records poor yields as a result of climate change, livestock can still provide a steady flow of income. Farmers are advised to integrate small livestock like goats in their farming, which are fairly cheap and manageable to rear. Compared to other livestock like cattle, goats require little startup capital. Indigenous goats are well adapted to local conditions and can withstand some of the harshest weather conditions. With a gestation period of 150 days or 5 months, goats can exponentially multiply within a short period. Goats are thus an ideal business for smallholder farmers. Unfortunately, most farmers who rear goats do not pay attention to good management practices such as improved housing, disease prevention and control, feeding and control of inbreeding. This negatively affects the numbers and quality of animals. The Enhanced Smallholder Agribusiness Promotion Program, E-SAPP, in the Ministry of Agriculture has trained beneficiary farmers in improved goat management. The aim of the training, conducted using the Farming as a Business School FABS model, is to increase the production rate and improve the quality of animals in order to make goat business more profitable.
We have learned a lot. Housing, how to construct a shelter for the goats, disease control, deworming, how to crossbreed, from the local to exotic breed. All these things actually have been taught by the E-SAPP officers.
E-SAPP is a joint initiative of the government under the Ministry of Agriculture and the International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD. It is a 7-year project that has been running from 2017 and targets to benefit 40,000 farmers countrywide. The project focuses on 4 core commodity groups, namely legumes, small livestock, rice, and aquaculture. Esther Marambo is an E-SAPP beneficiary farmer of Mupapa FABS in Chibubo village in Moze district. She has been mentored to improve goat rearing practices such as improved housing, disease management, and feeding. Since 2019, when she was exposed to improved management practices, Esther's goals have increased from 15 to 30. Her target is to make 5,000 kwacha annually from the sale of her animals. Her immediate plans are to sell 10 goats to generate income to buy a pump to make it easier to provide water to her goats.
Akatwandira kuti tiyo mwazwidirira mukwiya tulerere kupegwa mphongo isumpukide kutegwa tuchani tuhuve teka tukakwichiko ikuna kuba market maboto so ineje ngata chinazwidira ine munye ibyo Yesu yotujisi bakatuya kuti tulerere kuhibamba kuti twakuzwidira kutupa ndakubweza mujembwe koti mujembwe wiyosandura mpongwe yoleka kupatoto twachitonga yopa mpongwe ipati ya kuti ndasambala mulo mali mabotoboto ichakachincha mubumi bwangu kuti mpongwe yangu akali 15 pona munda kambo kalwiyo ndakachiko yakuipambirira kuitarika kuisanina akuipa menda ponono iri yarenye kuti ndahijulirawa irasika kuma 30 uzwa 15 mumwaka irahara hindiyo biro kuti kiyala tutu koti mumwaka ulaba mpongo yomwe irakupa bana bali 4 banyi number 5.
Goats are normally allowed to roam freely and browse on shrubs. Supplementary feeding is rare. As a result of mentorship in goat management, Esteli now formulates feeds for her goats using maize bran, sunflower cake, and salt to improve nutrition and healthy for her animals.
Ndirabweha baget la sunflower cake. Pona ndabweha ga 50 kg ga masembe. Ngindagaya kabotu ndatarika kusanganya pona ndeta asautu. Ya size kulega inji. Hafu ya 1 kg ndaibika muya. Ndatarika kwisanganya. Ndamana kwisanganya alya jasika jindi jakuti maigata akwana tegwa mpongo ga hijoga ndabwe ya sunflower yangu yasanganidwa amasembe ndabika mu dish pongo yangu yatalika kulya pona kwa mana wawo ndatira komenda mu dish hanywa.
Disease prevention and control is important to increase the numbers and quality of animals. Members of Mupapa farms in Monze district are now able to treat common goat diseases like diarrhea, coughs, and worms. Knowledge in disease management has helped Stio Chinzira of Mupapa farms in Monze district to increase the number of his goats from 10 to 45 in 3 years. However, Mr. Chinzira's aim is to further increase his herd to more than 100 animals. Before mentorship in goat management, Mr. Chinzira never used to purchase drugs to treat his animals, leading to high mortality. Presently, purchase of veterinary drugs is considered a vital aspect of goat business. Mr. Chinzira combines proceeds from the sale of goats and maize to pay fees for his 6 children, 4 of whom are in college, while 2 are in secondary school.
Twajana maningi natwa benefit awende. Ya kusanguna ilatupa mali. Mala kuihambuli bahijigolo hatukwahirira maningi. Ilatukwahirira kutwala kubahijigolo kusangani atumwe potwalela twabikiri atumi naku tupopke twabikiri akuli wali potwalela kwa maana bobo olokurya bya kunyama ilatukwahirira hindu muri muwahi.
Improved goat housing protects animals from harsh weather, predators, and thieves.
Ufabo batu yambo yugwa mpongo ambo yugwabiri rwa misamu ambo yisaninwa ambo kuyaga janda utana iya twawe yagabo handa hansi so ni bakatuyiha twatari yawe yaga handa hamuchuru.
Bulking is a marketing strategy being promoted among smallholder farmers to enhance their bargaining power. Through bulking, farmers can negotiate for better prices and be able to meet the buyer's desired quantities.
Kujana market muntu omwe kilagata winda kuti mwabungiga hintanto omwe mamana kubungiga hintanto omwe mwayitola mwakusambala kuchita kwa mwakusambalira anthu omwe kambo kusambala omwe kilata ni kilashupa kilagata wino wenga twatola kuli hayo omwe kamwenga muntu tumwambiri aliyo kwamba uti mpongo hinji ingahilasika ku 600 yomwe 5 to 600 kambo mbuli hehe mwayibone ipate
In Chirundu district, E-SAPP has funded the construction of a goat breeding center aimed at improving the quality of local goats through cross-breeding with exotic breeds. The breeding center, to be constructed at a cost of 47,000 kwacha, will benefit 4 farms.
We are involved in the multiplication of the goats. Yeah, when you look at Chirundu is very much suitable for goat rearing, or in short, livestock rearing. So as a group, we thought of coming up with a goat project, a breeding center. This is the main project here in Chirundu district, the breeding center where we're going to breed different types of goats. Yeah, we are going to import other goats from elsewhere to come so that we crossbreed to improve the goats in our area here. By partnering with E-SAPP, is one way of reducing poverty levels in our area. Yeah, most of the people, because of the poverty levels are very high, we believe that if we pass now with the E-SAPP, there will be a reduction in terms of poverty in our area.
These interventions came about, especially the one that are here in Lusitu, came about looking at the farmers' concern on the day-to-day briefcase buyers for their goats. You know, these people are goat producers. There are a lot of local goats around here. And everyone in the country, people from Kasumbalesa, people from Tanzania, everywhere, they can buy goats. That goat animal it does well in the dry areas. And that's the reason why here there are quite a number of goats. So the farmers, they realized that the pricing of these of these goats was dictated by buyers. The people coming from Kasumbalesa would just say, this goat, nalashita pali 150, nalashita pali 200. Why? They said they are small. So they realized only those who had money to buy exotic males such as Kalahari and Boer goats would be able to sell their animals as high as 500, as high as 600. So the farmers realized to say, okay, we all need these males, but one male costs 2,500, 5,000, and farmers could not manage. No wonder they came up together, requested and came together with, and then requested E-SAPP if they could have their center where they'll be able to multiply and buy these exotic males at an affordable price, so that everyone multiplies to sell this goat, which gives them the day-to-day food on the table, which they are always looking for. Because there's no proper crop production here other than sorghum. So most of the thing that makes them survive is a goat, which they sell by million.
Goat keeping is a profitable business. The rising demand for goat meat provides a lucrative market for the small ruminants. The interventions by E-SAPP to mentor farmers in improved management practices will increase numbers and quality of animals, ensuring that farmers earn decent profits from their goat rearing.